Hello friends, welcome back. We're here just doing the last little details. We need to do the legs now. And for the legs, I have in here this brown color that I'm going to mix with black and gray so I can obtain the shade that I want. I want the legs to come out of this area in here. And I have the original mark in there where I want the legs to go. I want to start pulling in here. And I'm using my single needle just because I want to make sure that I put this on the right location, the right place, and I'm dragging the wool. And if I want it thin, like not that thick, I can just go pull the wool. But I actually kind of like it that size. I think it is the right one. Let me just knob this a little bit. I do the swirly around to pick up the loose wool. Going in here to the back. There are like 2 toes in there, but I'm not gonna go into the details of putting them like together, like 2 different ones. What I'm gonna do is once I get to do the details, I'm gonna put 2 little like I guess, and because we know that he has those pointy nails in there. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do for those in there to define them as a 2 different one here, and there's another one in here. Have a little more in here, so I need to bring one more toe in here to the middle. And after this, it's just a matter of doing some extra details in here. I need to add some white for the kind of light that is kind of a little bit of reflection of the light in here, and a little bit of orange on the bottom. You can see in here. So for the orange, I'm using this tone that I have in here. And just a little piece under this other one. Bringing this one under this one, and it's kind of a I guess it's part of his toes, right under the toe. It's just a little bit of a color that shows in there. Okay, so I'm picking a little bit of the wool, and I'm twisting that so it's easier for me to poke it in here, so I can create that little detail. And I'm going to do the same to the back one. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to do one more in here. Let me just twist that. It works a lot better when you twist it and then bring it already the right way. This one is kind of left. There's another one coming in here. Huh? Yeah, so I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a shadow and light. Let's see. Let me position the wool in a way that that it give you like the direction. You see how I put the wool just like that, going that way? Let's see if I can bring this down in there a little. So I pull the wool this way because that's going to help with the visual effect. That you have that light in there. Doing my swirly thing to make sure that all the loose fibers, they get collected. And if I think I have too much, too long, I can always trim them. Okay. So I'm going to continue working with this. You know, if you notice, I added other details to the hair, and I'm going to add some extra light on the leg, a little bit of, you can hear it needs like this part in here, you see? Kind of light details, and and sometimes the details, oops, my camera is shaking too much. All right. Yeah, I think I like it. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to move this up a little. And I'm just going to leave it like that for now, because that was just a quick video to show you about the leg, right? I'm going to continue poking around, making sure that everything is tidy, that there are not any loose fibers around. And then I'll show you in the next video how's everything going. At that point, it's probably going to be the last one. All right, see you soon. Bye.